Alright, welcome to question 5. Rectangle EFGH has vertices at E 2, 3, F negative 2, 5, G at negative 3, 3, and H at 1, 1. The length of the segment FG is blank units. The length of segment FE is blank units. The perimeter of rectangle EFGH is blank units. Enter your answers as the number that correctly fills in the blanks in the previous sentences, rounded your answers to 1 decimal place if necessary. Separate your answers with commas and enter them in order of blank 1, blank 2, blank 3. So notice there is a space between the comma and the next entry. So I'm writing down they want to know the distance of FG, they want to know the distance of FE, and they want to know the perimeter. Okay, so again, I would use my tools and I would type in distance formula calculator, and I'd click on the Math Warehouse one. The first one they want is FG, so I'd go to F. It's at negative 2, 5, so this is going to be negative 2 and 5. G is going to be negative 3 and 3, and then you would go over here and click calculate. And notice down here it has all of the work, and it's 2.236. So this is 2.236 FE. So again, the distance of point F is negative 2, 5, so negative 2 and 5. And now we want to find the distance of F to E. So E is at 2, 3. So 2, 3. Calculate. That's 4.4721. 4.4721. And now the perimeter. Well, rectangles have the awesome thing that opposite sides are congruent. So FG is the same as EH in distance, and FE is the same as GH in distance. So for the perimeter, I could just double FG and double FE and add them together. So that would say double means multiplying it by 2. So I'd say 2 times 2.236 plus 2 times 4.4721. Now I'm going to type that into my regular calculator. So 2 times 2.236, 2.236 plus 2 times 4.4721. That equals 13.41. So that equals 13.41. Alright, so now remember that this is asking us to round our answers to 1 decimal place. So you might be asking, well, how come you didn't round to the first decimal place and then make your perimeter? And the reason for that is because the decimals, the hundredths and the thousandths, they add up after a while, and it can cause an error in your calculation of the perimeter. So the reason I just extend it 3 to 4 decimal places is because it keeps me the most accurate. So blank 1, FG is 2.2, since that 3 there is less than a 5. FE is 4.5 because the 7 is greater than a 5, and it rounds that 4 up to a 5. So I'll do comma space 4.5, comma space, and the perimeter is 13.4. Since this 1 is less than a 5, it stays as 13.4. Hope that helps.